Hello, I'm Dr. Hani Ashok. I'm a senior consultant ENT head and neck surgeon at Sakra Hospital and also at practice at Clinic Bell in Koramangala. If you need to clear your throat constantly, whether it's allergy or is it cancer. Usually what happens is, if there's an irritation in the throat, you have to clear your throat constantly. There will be some discomfort in the throat. These are usually due to infections or allergies, or if you have a constant reflux, acid reflux into the throat, you can have this irritation which propels you or forces you to clear the throat. Rarely it can be cancer also, but most of the time it's infections or allergies which causes this.